What if your team started every morning already knowing what changed? New regulations, updated guidance, enforcement actions that affect your industry. In this video, we're going to build a system that tracks government agencies, legal blogs, and policy updates, then turns everything into a single AI brief delivered before the workday starts. Let's build it. Start with government agencies, because that's where regulatory updates are published first. Go to the website of the agency that governs your industry and navigate to the News or Press Releases section. Copy that URL. Then go to RSS.app, open the RSS generator, paste the URL in, and hit Generate. RSS.app turns that government page into a live feed. Every new release, guidance update, or enforcement notice comes in automatically. Save it to your account. Next, add legal and compliance publications. Search for the blogs or newsletters that explain regulation in your industry, labor law, fintech compliance, healthcare policy, whatever applies to your business. Copy the URL of their updates section, paste it into the RSS generator, and save each feed. At this point, you probably have a few different sources to check. Government agencies tell you what changed. Legal and compliance experts explain what it actually means for your business. Instead of checking all of them separately, let's combine everything into one place. Go to Bundles and click New Bundle. Add all the feeds you just created, give it a name, and save it. You'll see an AI brief toggle. Turn it on, hit Generate, and watch what happens. RSS.app's AI reads every recent item across all your feeds and writes a single summary. What's new, what's changed, what's worth flagging. Now open the AI Brief Settings tab. Set a personality, executive if this goes to leadership, analyst if it goes to your legal team. Choose your format. You can even add a custom prompt. For example, tell it to flag deadline changes or anything specific to your jurisdiction. Then go to the Schedule tab. Set it to daily, pick a time. Early morning works best, before the first meeting of the day, and set your time zone. From now on, the brief generates automatically every morning using the latest posts. Last step, where does it land? Connect whichever destination your team actually uses. Send it to Discord, Telegram, or Slack in the compliance channel. Or go to Widgets and embed it in your internal dashboard so it's the first thing your legal or ops team sees when they open their portal. And that's it. Every morning, your team gets a clear summary of what changed. If you want broader coverage, add more sources. The same URL to feed process works everywhere. Start building your compliance monitor today with RSS app.